cash in hand. The exhaust. Good YouTube, it's your boy Just One Shift, and I am back with another video today. This is gonna be a boring video. It's not an installation video, it's a picking up a car part video. So currently I am on the way to Connecticut to meet up with one of my mutuals on TikTok that has the exhaust that I want. And I rented out a U-Haul. I rented out a van. It's a 2-hour drive. I am currently 50 minutes away. And we're gonna be trading in an OEM S4 exhaust with some cash in hand for this exhaust. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what kind of exhaust it is yet, but I will show you when I get there. And if you follow my TikTok, you know what exhaust I have been posting about. I pretty much manifested this, and he said he got it for 26, and I'm getting it for a pretty good price. I'm getting it for a steal, honestly. So I'm 49 minutes away now. I'm going to keep you guys updated, and I'll see you in a few. Peace. I want to give you guys a quick update. I'm currently 8 minutes away. No traffic. I haven't been speeding. I've been going 60 to 65 miles this whole entire time. I actually got to stop to pee and to get some cash. But I cannot wait to show y'all this exhaust. I'm overly happy. You can see the smile on my face. I'm genuinely happy. I can't wait to show y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope y'all enjoy this video as well too. YouTube people, I am back. I got the cash in hand. We got the OEM S4 exhaust that we're gonna be trading in as well. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the exhaust in a few. 3 minutes away. I'm leaving the convenience store I just got the cash out at. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Beamer though, does Connecticut have a good car scene? Look at this Beamer though. This is fire. It's a nice wrap. And I see some FCP Euro boxes in it, so he's definitely building that. That's tough. Is the exhaust. We got ourselves a Valvetronic exhaust. The other muffler is in the back of my car. I've been working a lot, so I didn't even get time to put this on my patio. So yeah, right here. And this is the other muffler for the Valvetronic exhaust. This is all the electronics. This is the wiring, and this is the remote. So yeah, that we're gonna put in probably around my birthday, which is in June. I did order some big resonated downpipes. So here's the update, guys. This is how my car looked about 2 months ago. I was driving, a tree fell, and I saw it last minute. So today we're actually going to be dropping this bad boy off to the body shop. I'm about to fill up, drop it off, and that's it. I'll try to get you guys some POV drives if I can. I don't have the right camera with me today. Yeah guys, I finally got myself a Valvetronic exhaust. I have been talking about getting one for like 6 months. One of my mutuals on TikTok, he actually hit me up. He cut me a deal. I paid $550 in cash, and I traded an OEM S4 exhaust. I didn't have time to take the one off mine, but yeah, we got some big plans coming up. So I know I said it earlier, but around June and my birthday, I would like to put on the Valvetronic exhaust with the CAP big resonated downpipes. I'm probably gonna go gutted cats, because from all the research I've done, they sound pretty good. So, and you know, I don't like test pipes. I feel like test pipes are just overly loud, and I want to hear the supercharger whine while I still drive. So, but yeah, right now we're on the way to the body shop. When I get close, I'll probably put some gas in the car. But yeah, enjoy the POV drives. And then after the body shop, I'm probably either gonna do brakes or the cooling overhaul. So yeah, I don't really know, but I want to do a little bit of maintenance before we Cause like I said in the last few videos, my brakes shake a little bit when I press on them. So my guy Dave, aka Not a Hellcat, he's gonna get me right. But yeah, we got some things cooking up for the B8.5 S4. I did not expect there to be any traffic. I'm not gonna lie to you. My exit is coming up. The body shop that I'm going to, it's in Linden. Pretty much where I got my car from, they also have a body shop. And you know, I've been working with them. I have a good business relationship with them. So I honestly, I really do trust these guys. And I'm gonna stay OEM. I'm not gonna get a RS4 bumper. I'm not gonna get a RS4 grill. So I'm gonna stay OEM. I got some good things cooking up for this car. I do need to get gas though. Let me see how much. I can't find it. Okay, 10 miles, so we're on E. Yeah, I need to lock in. Also got to fix the oil leak. I got some valve covers, gaskets that I need to replace. I might replace the valve covers. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see if I can find a pair and get them painted. Guys, we're filming it up with the best. We are currently, y'all rock with the hoodie. We are currently 5 minutes away from the body shop. Had to call out of work today because I'd be working like 5 days in a row, and I'm honestly tired. So I'm off tomorrow. I should have the car back by, today's what, April 27th. So I should have the car back by Thursday or Friday, the latest. Today is Monday right now. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. You guys to take a look at the bumper. I'm gonna be changing the bumper, the grille. This left fender gotta be changed. And also a few days ago, I just noticed this right here. So I just asked the body shop guy to take care of me, put on my tab. And yeah, so I want you guys to remember it. The reveal is gonna be soon, I guess, maybe in a week or two. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Guys, a sneak peek. This is gonna be the bumper. And over here, we got the grill. I don't want to show too much, but this is the grill. It's the same grill. I don't want to show too much, but yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the reveal video. Sipping on walk, can't see, I'm fresh out of jail, but I need a Glock. Repping that